Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Buick Lucerne. We're going to start right away up front. You do have a nice chrome grille. It definitely adds a sharp feel to the front end of the vehicle. You have chrome wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around the back end. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, both passenger and driver seats are heated seats and cooled seats. Cruise, heated steering wheel, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input. Climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Buick on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.